Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is MJ Vidyalaya. Now today I'm here to talk about two words for the day that I'm going to discuss, and these two words will really help you to enhance your English verbal communication and also to create an effective personality towards others. So the first word is lullaby. So lullaby is a kind of soothing song that helps a child to fall asleep faster. हिंदी में हम इसे लोरी कहते हैं. So लोरी को English में we call it lullaby. Now let me make few sentences with this word lullaby. So if I say baby falls asleep faster after hearing out a lullaby. Now let me create one more sentence with the same word. So if I say kindergarten children enjoys listening to lullabies. So we might have seen that the little children enjoys the most when teacher impart her knowledge through a song or rhyme. So that kind of song we can consider it as lullaby, because children are enjoying also, and if such song helps the child to get his or her sleep faster, then we can call it as lullaby. Now the second word for the day is lunacy. Now the meaning of this word is when some people or person behaves in a certain way that comes under the category of stupidity. So for that we can use this word lunacy. Now let me make some sentences to make it better for you. So if I say what happened at Chinnaswamy Stadium after the victory of RCB was an act of lunacy. Now what I'm trying to say here in this sentence is that we have recently seen that a stampede happened at Chinnaswamy Stadium where 12 or 13 people have died just because they had a craze about their fan in the field of cricket. Now such kind of accident happened due to giving more importance to something which we should not give, because our safety, our protection is much more important than anything in this world. So I hope that we are going to practice these two words. Number one is lullaby and the second word is lunacy in our English communication. Now thank you everyone for listening to me. Now before I go, I just want to say, never live your life like a beggar, rather be a chooser in the life. So we have to be chooser in life, but never any beggars. So thank you.